Hello friends, welcome to another weekly dose of railways. Let's have quick recap. Now let's start today's episode. Western Maryland Railway's steam train coming out of tunnel with incredible sound and lots of steam. Class 50 locomotive unloaded at Alresford Mills Railway. If you want to feature your video on this channel, submit it to link given in description. Also, thanks button is activated if you like the video. Instead of locomotive, here truck is pulling ballast hoppers. Do you know exact reason of this fire? Trucks and trailers are on rail journey. Controlled crash between car and train for the test and awareness. Train running in the middle of the road. Please like, share video and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. All the sources will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching and we will meet next week.